We love chicken jalfrezi. We also love bangan bartha. Now let's do a marriage of both of it, and this recipe will be fantastic. So for this, first let's fry the chicken a little bit because we're going to crush it. Put the chicken in the stone dingchik and crush it, and also the eggplant. Add some oil in the pan and cut chicken pieces very small. Add these pieces. This chicken has been brined, so it will be nice and juicy. So cook it on both sides for like 3 minutes. Take some garlic, put it in the dingchik and crush it. Take the chicken pieces, put it in the dingchik and crush it. Same way, few more pieces. Crush all the chicken pieces. You want the chicken to be kind of mashed, but if you use keema also, it will not be that great. And if you use raw meat also, it will not be that great. Sauteing and putting in the dingchik like this will give best results. In the same oil, we're going to add brinjal. Saute the brinjal pieces till they are slightly soft. When the brinjals are also sauteed, put it in the dingchik along with the chicken and garlic and give it a little bit crush. These are thin brinjals. Put it in the dingchik along with the chicken and just give it a kissable mash. You don't need to mash really hard because this is anyway soft. So we got the chicken and we got the brinjal, which is good for a fantastic bartha together. The marriage of the bangan and the murgi will be fantastic. Both the marriage of the eggplant and bangan. You can use the big ones, but the chicken can't take the big one, so I'm using the thin one. No, just kidding. So you can use any brinjal. This mixture is ready. I'm going to show you another day how you can use this to make a chutney that can go in a nice rolls or things like that. It'll be fantastic. I'm going to bring a lot more recipes which very few people must have tried, but this is one of the very popular dish. Make sure that the oil is hot. Add mustard seeds, cumin, curry leaf. This is optional. Onion. A lot of onion will be good. You don't have to brown the onions. They just need to be sauteed. Sprinkle some salt and let the onions saute a little bit with pinch of turmeric. Some chili, some chopped tomato. Actually, you can add a lot more, but this should be good enough. Some coriander powder. Cook it till the tomatoes are slightly soft. I've added coriander powder, but if you like, you can add a lot of fresh coriander. In this, add some chili powder, some water. Slide in the bangan or murgi, the chicken and the brinjal. This is excellent, especially if you eat with pulkas, roti, or even with rice, it's good, but you will enjoy it more with rotis. So mix it slowly and keep cooking till tomatoes are slightly mashed up. Awesome chicken and brinjal bartha, an awesome combination. You will just love it. This reminds me my childhood memories. My mom used to make eggplant and we used to hate it, so she used to add some dried prawns. So this is another way to encourage children to eat the veggies. Especially you can add a lot of bangan and a little bit of chicken. That will make it very tasty. Look at this. Keep it moist and fresh. Switch off the flame and ready to serve. This is my palak roti. What I do is in my farm we got a lot of fresh greens. When I make the chapati dough, I make a paste of some of the greens. You can add spinach, methi, mint, coriander, anything in it, and just make the chapati. It's healthy and also it tastes good. Make a soft dough and roll it thin. Make sure that the tawa is very fuming hot. And when you put the roti on top of the tawa, just immediately with your hand rotate it like this. So what happens is it doesn't stick. The hot pan will act like a non-stick pan. Let it cook well. You want to add oil, ghee, whatever you can add, and cook well on both sides. And we're going to enjoy it with shredded chicken and bangan bartha. A roti has to be perfectly cooked to enjoy the real taste of wheat, the sweetness and the nice aroma. And when you add this green roti onto an orange plate, that will give you an additional boost. The roti is ready. Serve it with hot. Perfect roti means soft and hot. And when you eat this fuming hot, your life will be jingalala. For me, when I put it in the dingchik and crushed, my goodness, the garlic, the eggplant, and even the beauty, the aroma, the flavors, I'm telling you, You got to try this. Friends, life is beautiful when every meal is tasty. Make a tasty meal, the Bartha of chicken, bangan, and you will thoroughly enjoy it. Make it and let me know how you liked it. Add a little extra coriander fresh if you want. When it is so tasty, you got to